Hi guys, welcome to another exciting video. My name is Agyemang. So in this video I'm going to tell you how I was able to make it past the first month of my university life. So it might not mean so much to somebody, but it means a lot to me, and I hope someone is able to get something from it, because I believe in little wins, and I also believe in taking little steps to your greatness. In my previous video I mentioned that I changed my course, so it means that I was a bit behind the class, so I had to do things to catch up. And there are a few things that I did that really helped me, and I want to share with you today. When I changed the course, I managed to speak to the program coordinator first, because he knew everything, and so I spoke to him first, and he showed me around and how things are done in that particular program. And one thing you should note is that in this particular program, it is not like the traditional way. So there are no exams in particular, but we have projects that we work towards. So it's like we go for boot camps, and after the boot camp we have a series of exercises, and then we work towards a product every semester. So with every step of the way, we have coaches who also guide us aside these teachers who organize the boot camps. So one thing that really helped me was I spoke to the program coordinator, and then I made sure I spoke to all the teachers who were responsible for these boot camps. I told them that I was a little bit behind, so they gave me a bit of a favor so that I'll be able to work my way through it. And so one thing that really helped was asking a lot of questions, and also making sure if you don't understand anything, you let your teacher know. Some of the teachers are very, very good and very approachable, so sometimes they make it seem like you can't actually approach them and ask them questions. But what really helped me was sending them emails. So if you send them an email via your school email address, I think they will be able to respond to you and come to your aid. And also what helped was they gave some learning materials that can help. They evaluate you based on what you did. So for the month, you should always ask questions. That is the most important thing. And also study on your own. If you don't understand anything and you ask the teacher, and the teacher doesn't give you any substantial or any better explanation, there are a lot of learning materials. So these teachers give us more learning materials that we are able to use to learn whatever they have taught us. If you wait till say after the semester or after the year before you evaluate yourself, it might be too late. You might have wasted so much time. So I think even if your program doesn't allow you to evaluate your courses or what you have learned every month or so, you can do that by yourself by setting little goals for yourself, that okay, I need to do this or that to get to this. And you also have to be clear. Make sure you ask your teachers to be clear on what they actually demand from you, or what the credits demands, what you have to do to get this particular credit. Basically what I'm trying to say is you have to ask questions, let your teachers know where you stand, and also take your learning materials seriously. So these are a few things that I thought to share with you, and how you can survive the first month of your university as I have done. So I hope you got something from it, and I hope you learned something from it. So share with me, how were you able to survive your first month of university? So share with me in the comment section. Maybe someone will learn something from it. I'll come your way with another exciting video next time. See you. Bye.